Hello, I'm going to show you what support ticket is and how to send your support ticket to Calkia service representative. Press on the app. You click on more, then you scroll down. Yeah, here it is. You press on it, then you click on new ticket. Support ticket is the interaction between a customer and a service representative, which are the issues. So you can call them support issue, which is any error or defect in the software or application at the location which causes it not to perform in accordance with the functionality set out in the documentation. So you can press on any of this issue you have or any of the errors. So click on if your issue is website problem or partner request, complaint, or information inquiry. So you press on any of it. So we're going to press on the first one, which is website problem. Can you see? Here you are going to write the subjects. So you write the issue or errors in details. You write them down here. So you keep writing them. You put everything in details here. You just submit. Yes. So it's pending. When they receive, they will send you a reply. So this is how to send your support issue to Calkia service representative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the bell to notify you of our new videos.